husband and I have custody of my 16-year-old sister, Mariah, and my 12-year-old brother, Aiden. We were basically thrown into parenthood overnight. So we're always at a track meet or a basketball game, and I need to be available so that I can be present for them. I want them to always look in the stands and see someone that they know. That's really important to us. My name is Chelsea Adkins, and Mary Kay just fits. I was born and raised here in Rocky Mount, Virginia. It is a very small town. We joke that it has more cows than people. I love to serve at my church. I love attending events. I don't mind being busy, but I do value rest. So I really do try to keep the balance. I started my business when I was 20 years old as a college student. I was very, very busy. I was studying for the LSAT to go to law school. I was in a sorority. But what I really enjoyed about Mary Kay was that I could do it whenever I had time. I had all my sorority sisters come over and try the products, and several of them still purchasing from me a decade later. Being an influencer is like the top thing that my generation and younger wants to be. This is a really cool way to do both. I love to just share my life. I almost treat social media like my public journal. A lot of times they reach out to me because they see what I'm doing, because I'm constantly posting it on my social media, and they see that and they'll reach out and say, hey, I'd like to get one of those consultations. I love to teach them a quick, we call it dash out the door look. I show them a really easy, simple look that they can do in less than 10 minutes. I love creating a space for women to come in, and for an hour, they're not thinking about the dishes or the diapers or the bills or any of that. They're just being poured into. I have found the most incredible friendships through Mary Kay. I was a cheerleader, I was a sorority girl, I was a pageant girl. I was not lacking in the girlfriend department. When I got married, I had 13 bridesmaids. Over half of them were women that I was connected to through Mary Kay, and I just think that speaks volumes. The really great thing about Mary Kay is that it really just fits whatever part of your life that you want it to be. If you want it to just be something that you touch every now and then, it can be that. If you want it to be something that you're 100% all in, it can be that too. I have given hope to the rest of my family. I believe that that has had a really great impact on the rest of them. I'm really grateful for just all of the flexibility that I have so that I can be there for my family and all the important things. I'll never have to miss a moment.